Okay, now we have x over 3 and x over 2. Well, a half is bigger than a third, so I would move my x over 3 over to that side, because then I'll get the larger value of x, the more positive value of x on the right-hand side. So if I'm going to move my x over to that side, I need to move my numbers over to this side. So on this side, I'm going to get 1 minus a sixth equals x over 2 stays the same, but the x over 3 goes to the other side and becomes minus x over 3. I can't do anything with this now because I have different numbers on the bottom. I have different denominator. So I would have to multiply this one by 3 and this one by 2. I actually don't have to do anything to this side because I'm just changing this one to equivalent fractions. When I do that, I get 3x over 6 minus 2x over 6. 3x over 6 minus 2x over 6, we have a common denominator of 6, and we have 3x minus 2x, which is x. What happens when I get 1 minus 6x, 1/6, I get 5/6. So I now know that 5/6 equals x over 6. Let's just, x over 6 equals 5/6. And it doesn't matter that I've moved both of them to the other side of the equation, it'll still be the same. It doesn't matter if you say 5/6 equals x over 6 or x over 6 equals 5/6. What happens now? Well, I've got a 6 here and a 6 there, so they'll cancel on both sides, giving me the answer, x equals 5. Okay, if a 6 of x equals 5/6, then the whole of x, multiply both sides by 6, will give me that all of my 6's cancel, giving me x equals 5. Then we had a rather strange one, because I think we had, what was it, x plus 8, 2x plus 8 equals 8 plus 2x. What value of x? Well, look here. 2x here is going to cancel with 2x there, and we know that 8 equals 8. So what value of x is it? X is undefined, or you can say it can be any number from minus infinity to plus infinity.